Hi everyone. Welcome today in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, July the 1st, 2020. We have here a Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, a binary and a tectonic, total of 6 Sudokus. And the first one I will start with the Sudoku with 1 star. And before I start, I want to count the printed numbers. Probably 27s, because yesterday the 1 star was printed with 27 digits. So let me count. We have here 4 plus 2 6, 7 plus 4 is 11, plus 4 15, plus 3 18, 19, plus 4 is 23, plus 4 27. Yes, correct. 27 printed digits in this Sudoku. Alright, so we can start. So let's get started. Alright, A6 in this column, A6 in the third column. So in the column between the second column, the only place for the 6 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 6. Alright. Let me see. Yes. So now we have 4 missing numbers in the second column. One of the missing number is a 1. We see here 1 in this big square. So no 1 in this box. So the 1 could be here, here, or there. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. And the 4, 5, and the 8 is missing. I see here the 8 and the 5. That means 1 digit left. In this column should be the number 4. So we have here the 8 and the 5. 8 and the 5. Remember that. I cannot fill this yet. How about the following number? Alright. In this big square, one of the missing number is a 3. We see here 3. So no 3 in these 2 boxes. There are 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And then 3. Yes, 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 3. Need to wait. No, 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, and 8 is missing. No, I cannot fill this yet. Let me think. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. Then yes, 8 in this row, 8 in that row, so in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here. Then yeah, well. Need to wait. How about 2, 1, and 4? I need a 4. Yeah. Let me see. The 2 should be here. Need a 2 there. Yeah. It's taking too long. How about yeah. Alright. 2. Yeah. Alright, I think I need to fill some or mark some boxes. Yeah, no. 2, 9, and 7. Yeah, we have in this row 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, so no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left now. The 2 and the 7 in this row. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in that box. 1 box left for the 2 should be here. So 1 digit left should be the 7. That means in this big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, so no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be here. The 1 and the 4 are missing. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 4 goes there. Then, let me see. Ooh, yes, in this big square. No. 2 in this row. 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in this row. 2 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only place for the 2 should be here. Okay, then I cannot continue with the 2. How about these 2 numbers? In this row, the missing numbers are the 1 and the 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 3 goes there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 numbers left. 3 empty boxes in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 8 and the 5. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. The 5 goes there. 1 number left in the second column should be the number 5. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 7 should be here. 1 number left in this first column for the number 3. No, 4. 4 is missing. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. No, 4 we have 5. 5 is the missing number. Yes. Then 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 1 and 4. We see here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 in the last column, 1 in that column, so in the column between, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. That is also for the 3. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Yes. And now 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used, I can see. Yes. How about the number? 3 numbers left in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only place for the 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row, so in the row between the second row, the only place for the 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, number 4. And now 2 numbers left in the second row. Those numbers are the 4 and the 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 9. 6 and 9, we see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 9 should be here. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 5. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. One number left in this column for the number 4. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 6. Hey, I cannot fill this yet. 2 and 6, need to wait. How about these two numbers in this row? The missing numbers here are the 9 and the 4. We see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. These two numbers are the 5 and the 6. We have a 5 here, so no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 5 in this column, 5 in that column, so the middle column. The only two places for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, one number left. In the middle column should be the number 2. 2 is still missing, yes, 2. Now we have a 2 there. I remember here we have the 2 and the 6. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 9. One number left in this big square for the number 4. And the final two numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. Great Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in a minute, because I will continue with the second Sudoku. That will be a Sudoku with 2 stars. So see you later, and bye bye for now.